Hello, my name is Benito Anaya, and this is my cutting carrot treatment video. So basically, I had a bunch of clips and that I took pictures of. So what I just put them together and put them like in a video. I don't know if we were supposed to do that, but I just did it because I thought because it's a sequence video. So, but for here, these are multiple different pictures between. Most of them is close up. There are mid shots and others. There's some pictures where you're inside the car and you're going out, and there are some where you're near the car, like so close, but it's recognizable. So for here, it's on the side of the car. I think this is the front side, but as you can see, the main attraction is this Hellcat logo. So we're gonna watch it. So you see here, this is starting from zoom in and then scoping out. And then right here is the medium shot, but like at a low angle. So that's why the cars are much seem bigger and more stand out because this is a low shot. And there's the inside of the engine to see what it looks like, and just scoping out. I usually start close and then go out, so it's more, it stands out more, and it's more appealing that way than zooming out to in. And I took these photos with me and my friend. We went to this little car spot where there's a bunch of cars together, and we just took photos of that, and then we edited through here. And that is all. Well, this is the video for the split carrot, or I keep forgetting me. Hold on. The cutting carrots. There you go. The cutting carrots treatment video. And I believe that is all. I appreciate everyone for watching and listening. Have a good day.